What's up, guys? Endzone here. Welcome to another Endzone Reacts. And today we're going to do another video by one and only the Endzone of Arena. And this video is called Tracked Up but Didn't See the Train Coming. He's a blind man. He has issues. Let's react to his video. Or he might be stupid. I don't know. Let's go right to it. Shit.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This truck was moving a wind turbine blade over these train tracks, and they didn't do a very good job with planning ahead. The truck driver didn't sustain any major injuries.
What? No, you're lying. Yes.
A few days ago, 15 buildings in China had to be knocked down at the same time. The buildings were never completed and were seen as too dangerous to live in.
So many guys. I think I found some people got killed. All the people died in there.
Cookies aren't for you. What do you mean? They're for everybody. What, only for you?
No, but I didn't buy them for me either. Granny, they're dog treats.
One of my subscribers has a dog that wants to bite every car that passes by.
Why?
A few years ago, a space probe landed on a comet and briefly captured these images.
I didn't get that.
One of my subscribers recorded this amazing lightning strike.
It's amazing.
I found a cool video of a robot that uses lasers to destroy weeds that are growing on farms.
What?
Someone noticed that a bag of chips they bought had absolutely no chips inside. It was just a bag of air.
You got food.
The video's ending now, so I really hope you enjoyed.
No
and I'll
chips.
see you guys again very, very soon.
You
Later.
just got pranked. Anyways, if you like this video, just give a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Also, link, well, not subscribe, link down below in the description. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.